Hi guys, here is the piano expert Emily. She's 7 years old and she is learning with Miss Elsa about couple years, I believe. So she's playing and learning lots of pieces right now, but she wants to share with you some knowledge on some technique, what we need for any piece, for anything we play on the piano. Emily, can you give some advice, what we just talked about?
You need to remember when you practice to do all the marks, like staccato, legato, and the rhythms and the counting.
Very good. So exactly everything in the music, guys, if you open up your eyes wide, you can see everything what composer wanted from you. It is in the music: legatos, staccatos, accents, dynamics. So just look carefully and follow it. It's going to help you a lot to learn piece correctly and have some meaning and translate what the composer wanted to say by this piece. And Emily, if you don't mind, play a little bit of your sonata. Sonata in C minor, Presto, by Giovanni Battista Peschetti. Play, Emily. Emily, good job. Thank you so much. There's 2 more pages. Long piece. Thank you, Emily. We hope you guys learned something from us. Thank you for watching.